Hey guys, it's Haru Miyagi here. I'm just going to do a quick start video for you to help you get set up and start training with Magic Stick. So, if you can look at the screen right here, you can see that we have a video here. That's where it's going to go, the video I'm making right now for you. And you can see right down here, there's the link for the Magic Stick. But if you haven't set up a platform yet, which is the MetaTrader 4 platform for this tool, you can click on this link and it will redirect you to finfx.fi. Okay, so once you go there, you'll actually be redirected here, and you can actually open an account, a live account, or just contact them and they can assist you, helping you open that up. But you want to go to platforms and click on MetaTrader 4. Once you do that, you'll actually go to this site right here and click on download FinFX MetaTrader 4, and then once you have that done, just click the the installer, and then just follow the promptings. And once you follow the promptings, say you agree to the terms and conditions, and so on and so forth, and then you'll be able to have a platform to work on. Okay, like so. So you'll have this platform here. Okay, and then going back to the page here. So at this page, once you have that done, you want to just click on Magic Stick. Okay, this V1. Here we have a folder on the bottom. It'll pop up, and you can take this file and you can just drop it into your desktop, or your desktop. Once you have that done, because I already have it on my desktop, I'm going to go to the platform. Okay, so on the platform, you want to make sure that you're actually able to put it in here. Okay, this is the ultimate goal. So what I'm going to be doing is going to this meta editor. Okay, this is for some people, so if you want to pause this video, this may be for you, because depending on your computer and how it works, I want to go to experts and ultimately put it in here. Okay, in order to do that, you can just right click, open folder, and then go to your desktop to download the file and say OK, and it will put it in here. Okay, the ex4 file. For some of those, all they need to do is go to their start menu and go to computers, then C drive, the program files, and then FinFX, MQL4, then experts, and this is where you can just drag and drop that file in here. Okay, is the actual ex4 file. Once you have that done, then ultimately we want this to look like this on your platform. Okay, and some of those individuals, you might have like a chart like this where it starts like with the Bollinger Bands and all this stuff here. In order to make a clean chart, so you can go right click and go to properties, you can see these functionalities like this. You can change these colors the way you want to, but I preferably like the setting that I have over here on my clean chart, and I'm going to right click and go to properties again for you. And these are the settings that I use, and you can look at it. Some people like their candlesticks the way a different color, because this screen may be a little hard on your eyes because it is bright. Some people have a blue background, and a green background. I can't even say background. And they just they like it that way. That's fine. So some people have different likes. Okay, so once we have a clean chart like this, all we have to do is drag and drop this file into the platform, and then we can change these parameters the way that we want to. So like for instance, if you want to trade with one mini lot, you can put 0.1, or if you want to trade a standard lot, then you just change it the way according to your account size. Okay, and then here I'm actually going to set this one as false, the alarm. I don't need it to alarm me after it crosses my lines. Say OK. So once you have that done, you'll have this information displayed. Okay, if it's not, or if it's not smiling, you want to make sure that this is marked as auto trading. Okay, as green. See how it frowns and then also it smiles. Okay. Also go to tools and options and make sure that these are set the way they are. And you can pause this video to make sure that it is set this way and say OK. Some of you may go to the expert files here, right click, go to expert advisors, properties, and then that is the common area, and you want these check marked the way they are. So I'll make sure that you just pause the video and you can just double check that and say okay. So once you have that done, then you're up and running and you have everything set. So what you want to do now is to just do a simple test. Here I'm just going to put a command as buy break. Okay. So price is below this line, and if it surpasses this line, then I'm looking for a buy position. It's going to take the trade for me. Okay, that's exactly what I typed the command in for. If it doesn't list anything, there may be something wrong. Okay, a couple things to notice is, let's see here, because right here it shows the line here. Okay, let's go back to the day chart here. Yeah, so it's there. So if the command is showing you on the left hand side that it's going to break at this price right here, then it's working. If it doesn't, then that either means your internet is not connected, or your computer fell asleep, or if it doesn't take the trade. Those are just some things that you want to consider. Is, do you want a VPS server? That's a virtual private server where you can just let it run in the background, your platform on the VPS server, so you can turn off your computer, but you want to leave your platform open, so once those parameters are met, it will execute the trade for you. That's the same thing with the sell command, the buy SL. Okay, your stop losses and take profits is to make sure there's no spaces between it, and then the left hand side will show you where that it's going to do that for you. Okay, so like I said, the commands will be sectioned off on the left, and then here it shows you the open trades and so on and so forth. So it's pretty cool. You know, it's actually pretty handy stuff. Okay, like I said, if you want to make sure that the stop loss, the take profits appear, and once those places get hit, then you want to make sure it does work the way it's supposed to. If you want to just do a test run, so if it doesn't do that, then let us know. It could be just a computer thing, or you're just not typing the command in right. Like I said, with the buy break, some people may put a space but don't put a space, just put a buy break. Some people put a big B, that's fine, or little b, but buy break. Okay, and like I said, if price is above it, then it's not going to do what it's supposed to. Okay, let's actually look at a sell scenario like this one. Okay, so I have a sell break command on the bottom here. Okay, and this is what it's going to do for me on the left hand side. So this could happen at any time. Like I said, that's the beauty of this tool, is that if the parameters are met, it might be when I'm asleep, going to work, or just not around. So here we can plan our trade out saying sell break. Like I said, you want to make sure that there's no spaces, sell break, and say okay. Top line, sell SL, sell TP. Those will activate after you have a trade in there, because you can't have a stop loss or take profit if you don't have a trade in. Okay, but like I said, we may have someone come in contact with you directly to help you get set up, or if you have any questions, and just make sure everything's running for you, and or you can give us a call or email us, and we can make sure that, like I said, we want to see how you're doing and make sure everything's set up properly. So just this is a quick little video for you to help you get started and start using Magic Stick. Alright, take care guys.